In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up form submission notifications in Hubspot. Form submission notifications are useful because they alert the right people as soon as someone fills out a form. This helps your team follow up quickly, respond to leads faster, and avoid missing important requests. The good news is that setting this up in Hubspot only takes a moment once you know where to look. First, log into your Hubspot account and go to the top navigation menu. Click Marketing, then click Forms. This takes you to the list of forms in your portal. From here, select the form you want to configure. If you have many forms, take a second to confirm you are opening the correct one, because notifications are set per form. Once you are inside the form editor, find and click the Settings tab. In some accounts or layouts, this area may be labeled Options instead, depending on the version of the editor you are using. This is where Hubspot stores the form behavior settings, including what happens after a submission and who gets alerted. In the Settings area, look for the option that controls notifications. Click the drop-down labeled Send Submission Notifications to. This drop-down lets you choose exactly who should receive an email alert when the form is submitted. Next, select the users or teams you want to notify. Choose people who are responsible for responding to these submissions, such as a sales rep, support staff, or a shared team that monitors incoming leads. If you notify too many users, important alerts can get ignored over time, so it is best to keep the list focused. If you have different forms for different purposes, you can tailor the notification recipients for each form so the right submissions go to the right group. After you have selected the appropriate users or teams, save your changes. Go to the top right corner and click Update or Publish. The button text may vary depending on whether the form is already live or you are making changes to an existing form, but either way, this final action is what applies your notification settings. At this point, form submission notifications are set up for that form, and the selected users or teams will be notified moving forward. That covers everything you need to know.